Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about my own personal experience using Calendula. I'm going to talk about how I use Calendula in a couple of different ways for both myself and my family, and this video is to help you to understand how has Calendula helped us in terms of benefiting our health, in terms of helping with specific ailments, not in curing but in more of reducing the symptoms. So this video is for informational purposes only. I really appreciate if you can subscribe, like and share this video in order to support our channel. I've done this channel, I've worked on it really hard for the last 5 years, and unfortunately it is still not monetized, but that is okay because the main purpose of this channel is to raise awareness. I would appreciate if we can reach the monetization in order to compensate for some of my hard work. Now let's get to the contents of this video. So Calendula is a wonderful herb that I rely on for my family's health. I have small children and I use it on a regular basis. Now, if you've watched the previous video where I talk about the health benefits of Calendula as well as the recent studies and the clinical trials, the uses, the side effects, you would understand that it is a wonderful, nutritious herb that has beautifying properties for the skin. So if you suffer from any sort of skin condition in terms of eczema, psoriasis, rashes, Calendula can be great. It can be used in a balm where it's more like a cream kind of texture and applied on the skin that way. Also, if you suffer from eye infections, regular eye irritation as well, you might also want to soak some Calendula in mild hot water. Cover it up for about 10 or 15 minutes and use a cotton pad and place the Calendula, the cotton pad soaked in the Calendula water on the eyes for about 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day when you are having conjunctivitis or that red eye pain. Calendula can be amazing for that, and I previously used that. The last time I did was about 2 weeks ago when my son was having some irritation in his eyes. He woke up for a couple of days with red eyes. He was having the cold and the flu. So what I did is, as part of helping to give him stuff to heal his body, like elderberry, making sure I have onions in the bottom of the legs at bedtime, and giving him some vitamins like vitamin C and zinc as well, I use the Calendula cotton pad on his eyes, and that has really helped as well. So make sure you repeat that for about 2 to 3 days and do it 2 to 3 times a day as well. Try to be consistent because that really does help, and I noticed a difference from my own personal experience. Now please be wise. If you see that your child or yourself is having a lot of pain in the eye area, you feel like you need to go to the doctor, then please do go to the doctor. It should be your first option to do so. But these are just simple at-home remedies that I prefer to do myself. For example, here in Finland, the doctor is not open during the weekends, so we try as much as possible to seek at-home help, at least for the time being, if there is no emergency. But if there is some sort of, God forbid, emergency going on, then we head straight to the emergency hospital. So apart from the eczema, the psoriasis, the skin inflammation or skin irritation, Calendula can be great for eye pain and for conjunctivitis and for pinky eye. What else do we use Calendula for? Calendula tea, infused tea, is amazing for fever. It's amazing for helping to reduce fever and helping with general digestive issues. So Calendula can be used, the tea like that, for reducing the fever and for helping to ease stomach pain. It's a wonderful herb, and if you do have Calendula growing around you and you make sure that it is free from pesticides, then I assure you to look into it to make sure that it is Calendula of this specific strain and to use it, try it. So here in Finland, I try my best to grow Calendula. Unfortunately, it's not much of a success as it is in Australia, but apart from that, if I do find Calendula around the area of I have, for example, last year I was successful in planting a couple of calendula plants, which was amazing. And what happened was I actually dried the petals and used them as tea and for decoration later on. So we've come towards the end of our video today. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and please remember to subscribe, like and share, support the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.